Howdy, folks. Sorry to hear about your lost, stolen, or broken Panasonic remote control. Whatever reason you need a new one, I'm here to help you. My name is Chuck, and this is electronicadventure.com. Folks, it's so simple. Go right below the video, click on the link, and it'll take you directly to our order page. If you look over my shoulder, you'll notice we have over 300,000 brand new original remotes in our warehouse, which means when you order that Panasonic remote control, it's going to ship out to you usually the same or very next business day. Plus, we're running a special right now, so when you get to checkout and it says enter coupon code, just type in the word remote and the number 5, and you'll save $5 off the order. And folks, we want you to shop with complete confidence, so we do have a return policy that states for 30 days, for any reason, just return your remote control and get a full refund. It's that simple, folks. Go below the video, click on the link, place your order, and have it ship out today or the next business day, or call the 800 number you see on your screen, and that'll take you to one of our friendly, knowledgeable operators. Folks, thank you so much for shopping with electronicadventure.com.